Hey everybody, I'm Gino Reynolds from The Real Opinion. After seeing the trailers for Earth to Echo, I could only think of one thing, that this was going to try to be a found footage ET. Sure enough, I pretty much got what I expected, but I also felt this movie borrowed other story plots from at least two more movies as well. What were they, and did this movie bring them all together in a way that worked? Let's take a look. A whole neighborhood is being forced to move out of their homes because of a freeway being built. One of the neighborhood kids decides to document these events to try to find a way to stop this from happening. After he and two of his other friends begin to have strange things happen to their cell phones, such as strange maps appearing on them, they decide to go on one last adventure to figure out what is going on. What they discover is more than they could have ever imagined. Like I mentioned earlier, this movie borrows heavily from E.T., but it also takes elements from the Goonies and Super 8 as well. In some ways this works, in some ways it doesn't. While this is a decent film, I don't feel as connected to the story and the characters the way that I would have liked to. I don't think they did a bad job for a group of mostly relative unknowns, but I've seen a similar group do it better in Super 8 and at the time, the Goonies. The CG in this movie was on a scale of good to just okay. The effects in the night scenes worked a lot better than the daytime ones, but the majority of the movie takes place at night, so this isn't a huge problem. I would have liked to feel more emotion towards Echo the alien, and the movie did try, but really I just couldn't feel the connection to him like I felt for the Super 8 alien or even E.T. I did like that technically this wasn't a found footage film. The kid that was directing it in the movie narrates as the story moves along, kind of like we are with him while he is editing it. That little difference just kind of worked for me. One thing I did have a hard time believing is that these kids rode for miles and miles and miles to different destinations, and they were able to do it all in one night, by bicycle. While not a bad film, this theme has been done way better in other movies before it. I will say that this could be a movie you could show your kids to prepare them for better movies such as E.T., The Goonies, and Super 8. But remember, it's only just one guy's opinion. I'm Gino Reynolds from The Real Opinion. Until next time.